personal information. What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 5th.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai.
What is your phone number?
My number is 123-456-7890.
What is your email?
My email is sarahtest@email.com.
What is your address?
I live at 12 Rose Street.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is John.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mary.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your brother's name?
His name is Tom.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have one sister.
What is her name?
Her name is Anna.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Where do you study?
I study at ABC University.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Where do you work?
I work at XYZ School.
What is your nationality?
I am Indian.
What is your gender?
I am female.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
What is your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
What is your favorite hobby?
I like reading books.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Hindi.
What is your height?
I am 160 centimeters tall.
What is your weight?
I weigh 55 kilograms.
What is your blood type?
My blood type is A+.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your pet's name?
His name is Max.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am healthy.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I am right-handed.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I wear glasses.
What is your religion?
I am Christian.
What is your marital status?
I am single.
Do you drive a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I have a passport.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer.
What is your favorite day?
I like Sunday.
What is your favorite music?
I like pop music.
What is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Adele.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, my nickname is Sarah.
What is your favorite animal?
I like cats.
What is your favorite country?
I like Italy.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
At the doctor.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, how are you?
I feel sick.
What are your symptoms?
I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a cough?
Yes.
Any stomach pain?
No.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No.
Have you taken any medicine today?
No.
I will check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is 38 degrees.
Oh, that is high.
I will give you some medicine.
What medicine is it?
It is for fever and headache.
How many times a day?
Take it twice a day.
Should I eat before it?
Yes, after meals.
Can I work today?
No, you should rest.
How many days to get better?
2 or 3 days.
Can I drink water?
Yes, drink a lot of water.
Can I eat vegetables?
Yes, eat healthy food.
Can I go outside?
No, stay home and rest.
Do I need a test?
Not now.
What if I feel worse?
Come back to the clinic.
Can I take other medicine?
Only with my advice.
Should I sleep more?
Yes, sleep is important.
Can I exercise?
No, wait until you feel better.
Can I go to school? Work?
Not today.
Is my fever dangerous?
No, it is mild.
Can I eat spicy food?
No, avoid spicy food.
Can I drink tea?
Yes, in small amounts.
Should I take a shower?
Yes, but not too cold.
Can I take cold medicine?
Only if I approve.
Do I need a doctor visit tomorrow?
Not if you feel better.
Can I go outside in the sun?
No, rest indoors.
Can I watch TV?
Yes, in small amounts.
Can I read books?
Yes, if you feel okay.
Should I eat soup?
Yes, soup is good.
Can I eat fruit?
Yes, fruit is good.
Can I take vitamins?
Yes, if needed.
Can I go outside tomorrow?
Only if you feel better.
Do I need a prescription?
Yes, I will write it for you.
Can I take painkillers?
Yes, for headache.
Can I drink juice?
Yes, fresh juice is fine.
Can I eat bread?
Yes, normal food is fine.
Should I drink milk?
Yes, if you like.
Can I go to the market?
No, stay home.
Should I wear warm clothes?
Yes, keep warm.
Can I take a bath?
Yes, not too hot.
Can I sleep in the afternoon?
Yes, take rest.
Will I need another checkup?
Maybe if symptoms continue.
Can I play with friends?
Not yet. Wait a few days.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
At the coffee shop.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I want a coffee.
What coffee would you like?
I want a cappuccino.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Would you like sugar?
Yes, 1 spoon.
Milk or no milk?
With milk, please.
Anything to eat?
Yes, a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?
Chicken sandwich, please.
Takeaway or here?
Here, please.
Do you want water?
Yes, a glass of water.
Can I see the menu?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have tea?
Yes, green or black tea.
I want green tea.
Small or large.
Small, please.
Anything to eat with it?
Yes, a cookie.
Good choice.
Do you have juice?
Yes, orange or apple.
I want orange juice.
Small or large.
Large, please.
Will that be all?
Yes.
Your total is $5.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is okay.
Can I pay cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Do you have sugar-free coffee?
Yes, we do.
I want sugar-free coffee.
Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Do you want milk?
No milk, please.
Anything to eat?
Yes, a muffin.
Chocolate or blueberry?
Chocolate muffin, please.
Good choice.
Can I sit outside?
Yes, please.
Can I sit inside?
Yes, any table is free.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
It is coffee123.
Can I have a refill?
Yes, free for coffee.
Do you have tea latte?
Yes, green or chai.
I want chai tea latte.
Small or medium.
Medium, please.
Hot or cold.
Hot, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Your order will be ready soon.
Can I get it to go?
Yes, takeaway cups here.
Do you have almond milk?
Yes, for coffee or tea.
I want almond milk in my coffee.
Sure.
Can I have less sugar?
Yes, no problem.
Can I add extra shot of espresso?
Yes, it is $1 extra.
Can I have decaf coffee?
Yes, hot or cold.
Hot, please.
Anything to eat with it?
Yes, a croissant.
Butter or chocolate croissant?
Chocolate croissant, please.
Sure.
Can I get a straw?
Yes, here you go.
Do you have vegan options?
Yes, muffins and sandwiches.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your drink.
At the beach.
Hello. Is this the beach?
Yes, welcome.
Can I swim here?
Yes, the water is safe.
Is the water cold?
A little cold.
Can I rent a chair?
Yes, chairs are here.
How much is a chair?
$5 for one day.
Can I rent an umbrella?
Yes, umbrellas are $3.
Is there a lifeguard?
Yes, near the red flag.
Can I swim far?
No, stay near the shore.
Are there showers?
Yes, over there.
Can I use sunscreen?
Yes, it is very sunny.
Can I bring food?
Yes, but keep it clean.
Are there restrooms?
Yes, near the entrance.
Can I play volleyball?
Yes, there is a net.
Can I fish here?
Yes, with a permit.
Is there a snack bar?
Yes, near the parking.
Can I buy drinks?
Yes, cold drinks are available.
Can I rent a boat?
Yes, boats are here.
Can I surf here?
Yes, but only in the surf area.
Can I swim at night?
No, it is dangerous.
Can I take photos?
Yes, but not near private areas.
Can I play music?
Yes, use small speakers.
Can I bring my dog?
Yes, keep your dog on a leash.
Can I go snorkeling?
Yes, near the rocks.
Can I build a sandcastle?
Yes, have fun.
Can I swim with kids?
Yes, but watch them closely.
Is there a first aid station?
Yes, near the lifeguard.
Can I bring my own umbrella?
Yes, no problem.
Can I rent a paddleboard?
Yes, it is $10 per hour.
Can I collect shells?
Yes, but not live animals.
Can I barbecue here?
Only in the barbecue area.
Can I camp at the beach?
Only in the camping area.
Can I swim alone?
No, it is safer with others.
Can I bring a ball?
Yes, you can play on the sand.
Can I rent a kayak?
Yes, kayaks are here.
Can I watch the sunset?
Yes, it is beautiful here.
Can I eat ice cream?
Yes, at the snack bar.
Can I wear flip-flops?
Yes, it is comfortable.
Can I run on the sand?
Yes, it is good exercise.
Can I swim if I don't know how?
No, it is dangerous.
Can I use a float?
Yes, only near the shore.
Can I play frisbee?
Yes, in the open area.
Is there a place to park?
Yes, the parking lot is near.
Can I drink water here?
Yes, there are fountains.
Can I stay all day?
Yes, but follow the rules.
Can I go for a walk?
Yes, along the beach path.